People are making money every day using AI, while you might still just be watching. Today, I'm showing you 6 new AI tools you can start using right now to make real money. Stay until the end. I'll reveal a secret combo that only 1% of people use. Let's go. Flicky.ai. AI video creator Flicky creates professional videos from simple text, in just minutes. 1. Make YouTube Shorts for clients and get paid. 2. Create video ads for small businesses. 3. Make animated stories and sell them on Fiverr. Murf.ai Professional AI Voices. Murf generates realistic voiceovers, no microphone, no recording. 1. Make voiceovers for ads and social media. 2. Create audio guides for websites. 3. Sell voiceover services on freelance platforms. Cleanup. Pictures. Clean photos in 5 seconds. Cleanup removes unwanted objects from photos, fast and easy. 1. Retouch Instagram photos and sell the service. 2. Clean product photos for online stores. 3. Sell edited photos on stock websites. Runway.ml. AI video editing. Runway helps you automatically edit videos and create effects without professional software. 1. Make viral video effects for shorts and reels. 2. Edit ads for businesses. 3. Sell edited YouTube videos to beginners. Speechify. Turn text into voice. Speechify turns any text into natural sounding speech. 1. Create and sell audiobooks. 2. Make educational audio materials for schools. 3. Record voiceovers for articles and blogs. Tome.app. AI presentations. Tome creates modern presentations in just a few clicks. 1. Make custom presentations for businesses and get paid. 2. Sell educational presentations for online courses. 3. Offer ready-made presentations to students. Make smart money by combining tools. Flicky plus Murf plus Cleanup equals full video creation for clients. Runway plus Speechify plus Tome equals build online courses you can sell 100 times. Only 1% of people use this, now you know. Follow for more AI money making tips. New video coming soon.